And action. This is Be Social. We're here live on scene, and today we're going to be interviewing people.
Today we're here with
Alexander?
Joe.
And what do you think a happy walrus sounds like? What do you think a happy walrus sounds like?
Never met any happy walruses.
Oh, me neither. Me neither.
Raw with tusks.
Can you explain to us what a happy walrus will sound like?
Total blank. What the hell? What is a happy?
What about a happy walrus?
Wow.
What does an intense workout sound like?
Oh yeah.
Work it. Pump that iron. Come on.
It's like a lot of like, and like a lot of like.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah! Let's go! Ah!
One more.
So we're here today with
Chris.
Chris. Well, can you please explain for us what thunder sounds like? How would you describe thunder? What does thunder sound like?
Boom. Alright, well, boom, boom.
Kadoosh.
Boom.
Can you explain for us what a zebra sounds like?
Oh, I have no fucking idea.
Yeah. What does a zebra sound like?
We'll pretend they make that sound. I don't think zebras make noises, do they? Like neigh? They neigh? Yeah, they're mute. Yeah.
Zebras are mute.
Yeah!
What do you guys think an angry cat sounds like?
How would you describe a pissed off cat?
Meow.
Scratch.
How does traffic sound like?
Get out of the lane!
And can you describe for us traffic?
Get out of that car, you son of a...
Beep, beep.
Beep beep. Bunch of horns.
Beep, get out the way! Yeah.
How does a stressed out fish sound like?
Can you please explain to us what a stressed out fish might sound like? Can you explain what a stressed fish might sound like?
Brr.
Bloop. 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 Bloop.
What would a stressed out fish sound like?
Glub. Glub. I don't know.
Is he in the club?
No.
Good evening, we're here with the professor. Can you please explain to us what an angry goat might sound like?
An angry goat.
What do you think an angry goat might sound like?